Good afternoon, Sir Doc Alagos. I'm Jericho Fernandez, BSCS Evening Class. This is my presentation. It's about network and communication. Okay. Okay. Network apologies. Okay, let's start. Hub. Start topology. All devices are connected to a central hub or switch. Easy to install and manage. If the hub fails, the whole network goes down. Okay. Bus topology. Bus topology. All devices are connected to a central hub or switch. Cheap and simple to set up. If the main cables fails, the network stops working. Ring topology. Each device is connected to two other devices forming a circle. Data travels in the correct direction or both in dual ring. If one device fails, the whole ring may be affected. Device 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6. Mesh topology. Every device is connected to every other device. Very reliable. No single point of failure. Expensive and hard to set up because of many cables. Mobile AD hoc network. AD hoc topology. Devices connect directly to each other without using a router or access point. Common in peer-to-peer connections like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi Direct. Good for temporary network. Infrastructure topology. Devices connected through a central access point like a Wi-Fi router. More stable and secure than ad hoc. Commonly used in homes, school, and offices. Like that. Wireless mesh topology. Similar to mesh but uses wireless connections. Device nodes connect and forward data to other devices. Good for large areas like cities because it extends Wi-Fi coverage. What is OSI model? Open System Interconnection Model. The IOSI model is a conceptual framework that describes how computers communicate over a network. It breaks down the communication process into 7 layers, each with its own role. The 7 layers of the OSI model. Physical layer deals with hardware and physical connection, cable, switches, signals, etc. Example, internet connection, Wi-Fi signals. Data link layer ensure error-free data transfer between two connected devices. Example, MAC addresses, internet. Network layer handles routing and addressing, decides the path data takes. Example, IP addresses routers. Transport layer ensure complete and reliable data delivery. Example, TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, UDP. Session layer manages sessions connection between application. Example, Keep tracks of a video call connection. Presentation layer translates data into readable format. Encryption, compression, encoding, example, JPEG, MP4, SSL, encryption. Application layer closest to the user, where apps and services interact with the network. Example, web browser, HTTP, email, SMTP. Easy way to remember mnemonic. Please do not throw sausage pizza away. Physical, physical, D, data link, N, network, T, transport, S, session, P, presentation, A, application. Again, this is the way to remember mnemonic. Please do not throw sausage pizza away. PDNTSPA. Thank you. Again, I'm Jericho Fernandez. This is my presentation. It's about network and communication. Thank you.